Okay, let's practice doing a dihybrid cross. Okay. White fur color is dominant, black eyes are dominant. Cross a heterozygous brown mouse, heterozygous brown, that has homozygous black eyes, with a homozygous white mouse that has red eyes. Well, the first thing we should probably do is establish a key here. White fur color is dominant, so we'll say white, and we'll use the letter G, capital G, and so brown fur color would be recessive, so we'll use the letter lowercase g. And black eyes are dominant, so eyes, black are dominant, so we'll use big B. And red are recessive, so we'll use little b. Okay, so I have a heterozygous brown mouse. If the mouse is brown, it can't be heterozygous, actually. So let's say we have a homozygous brown mouse, and the homozygous brown mouse would have little g because it's recessive trait, and it has homozygous black eyes. Homozygous is capital big B, big B. That's parent 1 genotype. Homozygous white mouse, white is dominant, big G, has red eyes. Red eyes are recessive, so it'd have to have little b. Here are our two parents. The biggest issue I've seen is being able to get the 4 gametes for each of these parents. 1, 2, 3, 4. And remember, to get the gametes, we do the FOIL method. First, inside, outside, last. Okay? First, inside, outside, last. That's how we get our 4 gametes. So the first combination of alleles would be little g, big B. Second would be little g, big B. Third would be little g, big B. And fourth would be little g, big B. That's an easy one. Remember, the other way you can think about this is 2 separate genes, 2 separate sets of alleles. I can combine this big G with both of these little b's. That would give me big G, little b, big G, little b. And I can combine this B, or this G, with both of these little b's. Big G, little b, big G, little b. So now I have my 4 gametes for each parent. And I use these gametes when I do my Punnett square. So all 4 of this parent were little g, big B. So I'll come over here and do little g, big B for each section. And all 4 of this parent were big G, little b. Big G, little b. Big G, little b. Okay? And remember, you take 1 from the top, 1 from the bottom. So my gamete here, or my combination here, would be big G, big B, little b. And as a matter of fact, since all of my gametes are the same on the top and all of my gametes are the same on the side, I would get the same thing in each box. Big G, big G, or big B, little b. Okay? What would the phenotype be here? It would be, it has 1 dominant for fur color, so the fur color would be white, because white's dominant, and it has at least 1 dominant for the eye color, and since black eyes are dominant, it would have black eyes. So our possible genotypes were big G, big B, little b, and that was 100% of the time. And our possible phenotypes were white fur, black eyes, and that was 100% of the time.